In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard theme. If you want to change theme of your Samsung keyboard, just go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on General Management. Select Samsung Keyboard Settings, and when you're ready, scroll again, this time to select theme over here. Now to apply any of those, just click on the chosen one and go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!